हेलो किड्स, आज हम सीखेंगे कर्सिव लेटर। A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I for igloo. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for pigeon. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Thank you.